Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a way to increase strength in our tricep muscle, that flabby, awful muscle at the back of the arm. It's usually pretty weak at the best of times, but it gets worse and worse as we get older. And then secondly, as we get older, our shoulder joint, it's terrible, and we get really tight. So sometimes we lose the range of motion of overhead, and it can be hard to try to do a tricep exercise like overhead tricep extension. Now, if you've had hip or knee surgery, you know exactly what this is. It's a resistance band. It's a nice one to just try to get strength in the tricep without lifting weight over our head. Okay? What I'm going to get you to do is you're going to grab the band like this. Make sure your thumb is outside of that band. And then you're going to take it and flip it over the back of your shoulder. As with all resistance bands, the longer that resistance band is, the easier it's going to be. The shorter you make it, the harder it's going to be. The other tip I wanted to give you, especially if you have arthritis in the wrists and in the hands, is careful not to have it bend. We want to keep it nice and solid, pushing kind of downward like this. Your whole free hand is going to grab onto that resistance like this. Shoulders rolled back and down, sitting up nice and tall, and you're going to push straight down, hold, feel that tricep work, and then release. Push straight down and release. If you need it to be a little tighter, make it a little shorter. If you need to make it a little longer to make it a little easier, feel free to do so. Hold for a couple seconds, then release. Don't let your shoulder roll forward. We roll that shoulder back, sit up tall, then we do that tricep extension. Okay? So you're looking for about 10 to 15 on one side, 10 to 15 on the other. If you have the time, 2 or 3 sets. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.